You have to try this, guys. This is so delicious. What we have here is fried aubergine in breadcrumbs. To make the breadcrumbs stick to the aubergine, we will be using an egg. If you have just a small aubergine, 1 egg will be enough. If you are using a large aubergine or you want to cook few pieces of aubergine, you will need more than 1 egg. You also need a pinch of salt, and you could use a spice mix as well, but I do prefer just sprinkling it on the aubergine pieces myself. We also need a few handfuls of breadcrumbs. This step is optional. You could mix in some seeds such as sesame seeds into the breadcrumbs. Now I will slice the aubergine. It's best to slice it quite thinly, because then it will be nicely cooked inside. And this step is also optional. You could sprinkle some spice mix or some chili or maybe just ground caraway seeds over the sliced aubergine. Then we just take the pieces one by one, dip them in the egg wash and coat them in breadcrumbs from all sides as evenly as you can. And if you want a nice thick coat, you could repeat the process twice. Once all the pieces are ready, you can heat up some lard. And once the lard is hot enough, you can add the coated aubergine and fry the pieces from both sides. It will take a few minutes on each side for the breadcrumbs to be nice golden and crispy, and for the aubergine to be nice and soft inside, which you can test with a fork. Typically, aubergine would be served as a main meal with potatoes, but in this video we are just making a quick snack, serving the aubergine with a spicy sauce. Fried aubergine is a very nice comfort food, and it is an excellent snack when you have friends or family coming over.